进观看开幕影片。
Of a particular country, a film as a very important cultural ambassador, once it comes out of the box, the film box, can serve as an important bridge of communication.
Film Administration and Pakistan Embassy Beijing will jointly organize the first ever Pakistan Film Week to showcase 5 movies from Pakistan to further enhance cultural exchanges and people-to-people contact between Pakistan and China. Films like Motorcycle Girl, Punjab Nahi Jaungi, Din Roy, A Woman Jahan, Blind Love are going to be showcased in this film festival.
During this time, world has undergone immense changes, but the friendship between our two countries has only grown stronger.
虽然世界上变化莫测，但是中国和巴基斯坦两国之间的关系始终是非常的坚硬，而且是更加的友好。
These celebrations were previously launched jointly, inaugurated by the two foreign ministers.
这一系列的活动都是由中国和巴基斯坦两国的外交部共同倡导和举办的。
These celebrations have a special focus on enhancing people-to-people contact and understanding.
这一系列的活动主要就是人与人之间的交流和相互理解。
中巴两国70年风雨同舟，互助互信，合力维护地区和平，成为了10年后的这个战略合作伙伴。就是我们中国观众啊也非常期待这个巴基斯坦的这个电影丰富多彩的这个影片。
70 years is an important milestone. It is an important milestone in Pakistani culture, and I understand it's a very important milestone in Chinese culture.